We've been waiting for this day to come. Been hauling for 10 years and it's never happened. We're on perfectly flat ground. Probably one of the flattest spots I've ever dumped at. Air was dumped. The airbags are completely empty. But when we raised this up, and you can see most of our loads here on the ground, there's very little that was in the bed of the truck. But this frame gave way when it got up there. And I couldn't get it down fast enough. I got it down fast enough, didn't pull the whole cab over, but didn't get it down fast enough so it didn't roll. Then just finishing getting her dug out. We'll torch that frame up, bring another truck up here and set the bed on. I guess we got a little delay on getting dirt up here to this job.
I think we cut it where you're talking about. Yeah. All right, I'd say it'll start falling. Yeah. And then we cut the other part. And once this is attached to the truck, then we worry about getting the cylinder on.
I'm with you, yeah.
Hey, it's a good weld.
That's all that held it.
Yeah.
If that wasn't there, it would have just, this frame would have just went right off, you know. I knew it was starting to roll, and I tried to get it down so that it set down.
Yeah.
I got it down fast enough that I didn't pull the cab over, but
yeah.
I don't know if that crack's not been there, man.
I know it's hard to say. It doesn't look like it's been there. Well, that looks older, but this looks like it's been shaking.
Yeah. So the plan is, if we get the bed off this thing, I'll just drive the truck back, and then we'll drag the bed onto the trailer.
That's so it doesn't take off rolling down the hill.
The bed? Well, whatever happens, then happens. I don't think it'll go far.
We'll have to cut it at this pin.
See, there really wasn't hardly any dirt in it, man. That's all that was in it when it started to go. I mean, 80% of the dirt came out. I think that frame's just gotten weak enough that it hold on it enough, you know.
Here's the backside of the bucket, push down on that axle. If you can undo it and then stab it back into itself and just loop it around, you wouldn't have an air leak. Yeah, just take one unit off.
Go ahead and snip that electrical.
I freaked out for a second when he started going. Ain't crazy?
Oh, we don't kill it. He got lucky to put the tab, but he let it down fast. Enough time to not get.
No luck.
No, it's gonna keep blowing back there. Is there zip ties in here by any chance?
I don't know. It'd be cool if there's vice grip, you can pinch that hose.
Yeah, that's what I did.
There's different vice grips in that check.
Yeah.
How much hydraulic fluid stays in this thing? A lot.
It's gonna be interesting getting that hose off if there's tension on it.
Do you think we should come over here and just push the bed closer, the cylinder will shut, and then it'll release some of this tension off of that?
How are we gonna push the bed?
50. Boy, that's good stuff.
I just wonder how much tension's on that hose.
Not at the time.
Like, say if we loosen that, if it's gonna,
It would move.
yeah, if it would move. It'd be cool to have a bolt cutter and just cut that hose right here. If you just cut it, that hose, you're liable to catch the whole truck on fire.
Yeah, with the torch, you mean?
Yeah. You might can rip it.
Hell, I can rip it.
Yeah, you probably rip it.
Smart man.
Smart man, legend.
I don't think it'll be that bad. Like, I don't think it's that much damage.
It looks like a problem. It's got a crack in the frame right there. It does have a crack. Okay.
We don't know about that, Zach.
But you're not supposed to weld it.
Come on, keep coming with it.
Or, I mean, you're just pushing you're compressing the cylinder.
And it's not releasing that
No,
hose
you're not
line.
really taking those. I wonder how much pressure, like if we just took that hose off, it's probably sprayed too. It just sucks you have to stand right there to do it. Do you think you may come on this side and grab it with the thumb and pinch it?
No, it had that aluminum one. It was a square one. Super nice. It was brand new. And then he traded it for this one with a little dash. Because we do the demos. When you do the demos, aluminum. That stuff will get stuck in the bed, them square ones. When that's round, it'll just slide out.
Yeah. attached to the frame and to this.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to cut.
So we need to cut it on this side.
We'll have to cut here. Probably just cut this whole subframe off. We can do that after we get the truck out of the way. We just need to cut this to free it all up.
Ain't no weight on this, is
No, we can just about pull this pin here. Get that cylinder out.
Go the other way. Pull it to it. Alright, hold on. Go slow. Hold on. Let's try to get this bolt out the bottom. I wouldn't say if the pin's bent, if this bracket right here is 100% twisted. This bolt's jammed in here. This is gonna have to be pushed down to get the bolt out.
Oh, that's fucking lovely. If I had something to drive this, I could just beat it all the way through.
And we'll have to cut the bottom.
Yeah, it might catch.
Yeah.
Well, there's not much tension on it. Why don't we just cut it? Cut one of these. That's fucking thick to cut through, though.
I think if we cut over here
Yeah.
and we try driving it down more,
Okay.
if we can find something to drive it down with.
I'm sure. Fuck, I'll use a screwdriver or something if I go to. We have that fire.
I know this is covered in grease.
Need an extinguisher?
It's just paint burning off.
I'm just dying to use that thing.
Oh yeah, they're ready.
He is. You can stand on this side, beat it on this side.
What about that rock? You got a rock bar in the truck?
Too long.
Yeah, too long.
I think that's too short. This might work better.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping.
We could cut over there where we talked about that first time.
Yeah.
Like just cut it here.
Yeah.
I guess that's our only option right now.
Hardly any tension on this, so I don't think it's gonna
And he's got the bucket there. And we got this thing here. Hey, pull that towards you a little bit. See if you can just break it. You got it. Yeah, I don't think there's no tension. Hey! Don't go side to side. You gonna be able to move the truck from there?
If you can kind of push that back, yeah. Keep going. All right.
I can't see nothing. Probably gonna take a minute to get air.
Someone on TikTok, there was like hundreds of vehicles driving to wherever the fuck that's at.
What is it?
Totality area. The Eclipse.
I think
I don't know, but I need to be at the shop soon before this fucking end of the world about to happen.
Looks like you're in a safe spot. Dude, these motherfuckers feel like they're prepared for it. They got solar panels down here.
Oh, that's in these days for sure.
Yeah, there's
they'll-
a bunker somewhere around this motherfucker. I
They'll
guarantee
probably
it.
shake the hills and boulders start falling down and kill us.
Let's zip tie that hydraulic line up to this, will you? That driver's door doesn't open from the inside now.
Huh.
It wouldn't be bad to fabricate it so that this sets directly on the frame. That's a better dump truck anyway than a subframe truck. This wouldn't have happened with that.
Yeah.
See this old roll pin right here? The old one, this was the hinge pin.
Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah.
So this was designed to sit on there. This is the hinge pin that went through on that. And they put a subframe on it, you know. It probably wouldn't be a ton of work to design that to set directly on here.
I can't believe they didn't put walking nuts on these.
I can't believe a lot of things they did though. What a tragedy that is. Look at that weld though. Well held. Here. I'm gonna go back up there and get another load of dirt just like this.
Yeah.
Load her up, man. Free scoop.
2 bolts have been out for a hot minute,
I think so.
and you just had just this 1 bolt. That's all you had.
I'd say we go in and we patch all this stuff back in, that other crack, and then we just figure out how to hinge it off of this. Be back to work tomorrow evening.
I'll drag it down Main Street, dude.
You want to drive this?
Yeah.
Because Legend's the best driver.
Y'all want to slick this up? Damn.
At least it flew that way.
Any more chain? That chain laying there, but is this gonna break it again?
Bring us some food.
Okay. Look shocked. Look. Do whatever you want.